I'm Shivam, and today's Onshape Tech Tip is about document structure. At the start of a project, there's a convenience to having everything as tabs in a single document. This is a recommended best practice early on, since everything is in one place, making it easy to share and reference. However, every Onshape document splits server resources amongst the number of tabs it contains. So documents with fewer tabs are splitting resources in fewer ways, compared to documents with many tabs. If you break that big single document out into many documents, you then have more resources available and split fewer ways, which makes for great, large assembly performance. When should you move? Our general recommendation is for when you get close to 40 tabs, or your design stabilizes to a state where you benefit from version references. This hierarchy can also include a master sketch driving individual parts. Those parts to-dos can have expensive features, but are now calculated in parallel since they are in different documents. This yields better top-level assembly performance. However, with many separate documents, sharing and releasing data becomes more difficult. Think of how many clicks it would take to release the structure on the left versus the single, self-contained document on the right. Even if you've created separate documents before, you can always move tabs back to a single document which will be released all at once. For mature designs in production, collecting references at a sub-assembly level makes new releases very easy. No matter what you choose, you should balance these two principles to meet your organization's human needs. Whether you're optimizing for the easiest sharing, best large assembly performance, or easiest release structure, Onshape's document structures are flexible enough to meet your project's changing needs.